welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much. So today's my birthday and I'm just now waking up out of bed. As you can see, I look a hot mess right now. So I have a couple of fun things planned, and let's just hope everything goes as planned. So at 10:30 the masseuse is gonna be at the house and she's gonna go ahead and give me a massage for an hour from 10:30 to 11:30. And then afterwards I'll probably take a shower and then just relax, and then at probably like 4 we're gonna have a private chef come to the house and do a 3-course meal. So I'm looking forward to that. And like, I would go to outside to like a spa and like a restaurant, but I don't know, I just figured with everything going on outside, I just kind of value my own space to get services, and also just for the intimacy, because I remember the last time like I had a massage, I really fell asleep on the massage table and then I had to lower myself and drive myself home, so that wasn't fun. So it would be nice to kind of have a massage right at home and then just fall asleep at home. So hoping for that. So I'm gonna try and vlog most of the day, just to see how things go. So I will see you guys throughout the day. Okay, so just came out of bed. I went ahead and I put a bathing suit on, and I also went ahead and I'm just gonna like brush out my hair a little bit and then probably put it up in like a ponytail with one of my bands. So let's do it and get ready for my massage. Gonna take a nap and then eat, or the other way around. I know you're not supposed to, but we do a lot of things that we're not supposed to anyways. I feel like my hair looks a hot mess, but hopefully throughout the day I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna do my makeup and hair and eyelashes. I just want the dining out experience, so I'm probably gonna wear a nice dress, nice shoes, just to feel like I'm actually out dining at a restaurant. So probably do something like this just to have my hair out of my face for the day. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next clip. So when I'm home, I really like to just be in PJs. I don't like to be bothered with like clothes from outside because I feel most comfortable when I have on my PJs. So it's lunchtime, 12:12, and I'm getting ready to eat just a little bit of food. I don't want to overeat today simply because the chef is coming and neither do I have plans to cook anything today. So I have a little jollof rice right here, so I'm gonna eat that. I'll probably just watch a little bit of TV the rest of the day, and then I'll probably start getting ready like maybe 2 o'clock because he's gonna be here by 4. So I'll probably start getting ready like 2, just to do hair, makeup and stuff. Give myself time to put those lashes on. My niece is gonna come like around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, just to give me my birthday gift. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. So Naomi came bring me something for my birthday and she's here. Hi Naomi.
Hi.
So what'd you guys bring me?
You have to see for yourself.
Oh, okay.
I got my mask, everything.
So let's see what she brought me. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. Grandma. She probably got me another nightgown. Aw, sparkling spider. Non-alcoholic. Of course. What is this bathroom? Oh, I love this soap for the bathroom. And the granny nightie. I got cheesecake from the bakery. Thank you guys so much. Oh my god.
Hi YouTube.
Hi. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Just want to talk about how my birthday went. It went pretty well. I really like the food. All the vendors today were very punctual. They came on time, they did what they had to do, and then they left. So the masseuse came from 10:30 to about 11:30, and she was on time. She definitely did what she had to do. And then the private chef came from about 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock, and he also did what he had to do. It was just quite a whimsical, magical birthday for me, honestly, especially with everything going on outside with COVID. We can't really do a lot of the things that we usually do, so I'm just really grateful that I was even able to have this private, intimate day to myself and hubby. So I'm just grateful to God for another year and for the capacity to even have such a birthday. I am truly grateful. I'm not saying it to brag or anything like that. I'm just sharing with you how I spent my birthday. Yeah, the massage was really good. She knew like all the pressure points right here to definitely touch up on, especially like when I go to work with all the lifting of the pulling and the, you know, pushing of patients, all the lifting that I do at work. It's just, she made it like she hit all the pressure points, so that helped a lot to release like a lot of stress and tension right about here on both sides. Also, she was very gentle. The temperature was good. They only, of course, exposed one part of the body at a time, and she came and she set up her own table, and all I had to do was provide 2 bed sheets and a pillowcase. I also had the private chef come over. He came, he did his thing in the kitchen. He did the filet mignon, the steak, and the mashed sweet potatoes and Brussels sprouts. It was pretty good. Like everything he did, the Israeli salad, everything he did was just really tasteful to me, and mouth-watering. I would say it's more than just a savory meal that I had, so I was really happy about that. So I just wanted to just basically get on here quickly and close out the vlog for you guys. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed the vlog this evening. Obviously I haven't mentioned it, but I did go and get a silk press, and I cut off about 5 inches off of my hair, as you can see. I'll turn around so you guys can see. I did cut off 5 inches off my hair because I just wanted to, you know, it's health over length any day. So I went ahead and I did chop off a lot of my hair for the silk press, as you can see. So I hope you guys really like this video, and I'm gonna have a lot of editing to do, and I'm just grateful. That's how I'm feeling. Probably gonna sit down and maybe take a shower first, and then take off all this makeup, take a shower, sit down, and maybe watch a movie.